Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith here, and today the discussion is going to be a major change from Airbnb that is going to affect every vacation rental owner. Starting this fall, Airbnb will change its fee structure for any property manager who uses a property management software. The previous split fee model, where the guest paid a service fee and the host paid a similar one, is being replaced for these professional managers. Now, property managers will be responsible for a single host fee of 15.5%. This creates a clearer, more transparent booking process for guests who will see an all-in-one price up front. However, this raises questions for property managers here in Big Bear. The traditional commission for a vacation rental manager in this area is often somewhere between 25 and 30%. So how will local management companies respond to this? Here's what needs consideration. First, will the company simply absorb the additional cost, losing 15.5% on top of their existing commission was significantly cut into profit margins? This may not be sustainable for them. Second, will the companies pass along that 15.5% directly to the property owners? If so, the host's income is dramatically reduced unless the nightly rate is raised. And third, will the companies increase their own management fees? Some owners are already considering whether they will see their 25% or 30% management rate suddenly drop to 40 to even 45%. Or will a fourth option emerge? Will they strategically raise the listing price on Airbnb to cover the new fee, but keep their prices the same on all other booking sites like VRB? As a realtor specializing in Big Bear, the role is to help navigate these kinds of changes. The future of your investment and the performance of the local market depends on how this plays out. The key for property owners is a transparent conversation with their management company to fully understand the new fee structure. Knowing the impact of your bottom line is crucial. If there are any questions about this or a deeper analysis of your rental property's value in our changing market is needed, feel free to reach out. Assistance is available. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.